I'm angry because the government doesn't make sure that everybody's equal. This is not right. This is wrong. There's so many people with so many different illnesses at so many different ages. You got young kiddies. Things are beginning to change with the hospice care for children. They are beginning to take all different illnesses, which is brilliant. You know, they need as much support as possible. Yeah, bless their hearts. But also the parents who get ill, they need as much support as well. And I think the attitudes of this government and the medical people out there have got to look at everybody in an equal way. We've all got to be treated equally. Just because one person's got cancer, you give them everything. Somebody else has got another disease which, okay, it's not cancer, but it's equal to cancer. It's just as painful and they need just as much pain relief, support, understanding, pastoral care as the next person. So why are we treating people differently?